Hi traders, we're back with Bank to Binaries ahead of the week report, covering the world's major investment events. Here's a quick recap of last week's main asset trends. The euro was down on weaker German sentiment and the latest dovish statement from the European Central Bank. The USD was up, gaining on its rivals' woes. The GBP was down as inflation and employment news failed to impress investors. The gold price was up, rising slightly as Brexit worries weighed on sentiment. Oil prices were down, giving in to the underlying lack of demand. The headline news and trading event of the week is on Wednesday, when the US Federal Reserve announces its interest rate decision with an expected impact on the USD and gold. It's been a tough year for investors who are waiting for the Fed to deliver on its intention to raise interest rates in 2016. Could this be the month that it finally happens? This event is on the top of our watch list. On Monday, September 19th, the USD may see some price action when the NAHB Housing Market Index for September is released at 1400. Investors may remember that the 2007 subprime housing crash in the US is the original cause of today's economic uncertainty. So housing market stats are always of interest to the smart trader. The benchmark number to beat is 60. There's more news about the US home market on Tuesday, September the 20th, when housing starts for August are circulated at 12:30. Last seen at the level of 1.21 million on a monthly basis, this is a key indicator for the sector's health, and any upside or downside surprises could impact the USD. Our trading event of the week is on Wednesday, September 21st, with the Federal Reserve's latest interest rate decision. The Fed raised its key interest rate from 0.25% to 0.5% last year and has stayed put ever since. The last NFP results were not strong enough to convince anyone, let alone the Fed, that it's time for a new rate hike. Still, nothing is confirmed until Janet Yellen speaks, so we're expecting an impact on the USD and gold. If you didn't have enough housing market news, there's more on Thursday, September 22nd at 1300, when the housing price index for July is released. Definitely an event to watch. The previous result was 0.2%, and USD could see some movement depending on the latest news. The major trading events conclude on Friday the 23rd at 1345, when market releases US manufacturing PMI results for September. Last seen at the level of 52, the benchmark shows whether the manufacturing sector is bullish or bearish, and the news could impact the USD. Instead of our trading tip this week, we're sharing some company news. Bank to Binary continues to take on worthy causes and is sponsoring the Cyprus Paralympic powerlifting team, which plans to compete in the 2020 Tokyo Paralympics. Our trading tip is back next week. Until then, good luck with your trading. Bank to Binaries on Facebook. Follow us for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.